everyone. So this is our temporary studio right now, as we're on uncharted waters right now. So apologies for the quality of the video. Everything is self-made, but editing is being done obviously by my brother Antonio. So today I'm going to talk to you about the alfresco and show you how to apply. Many are asking why we don't seal. Basically, the alfresco is mainly done for both indoors and outdoors, but its qualities are so good that obviously you don't need to seal afterwards. So, first of all, you just need to clean the surface of what you're going to paint, indoors or outdoors, then a light sanding. I'll be showing you this in another video. Then you apply the paint. The alfresco is weatherproof. The color is UV protected. It's mainly child-friendly, pet-friendly, and environment-friendly. It is self-leveling and also self-sealing, so you don't need to seal afterwards. Now I am going to show you a little bit in close-up how you apply the paint. So this is black, and here we applied the first coat. This is how it should look after your first coat. And this is how to apply it. You simply need this much on the brush to cover the first coat. And that is the first coat. Now, the second coat. Again, this much paint. As you can see, the second coat practically seals everything. So you have a full color. This color we used is Wise Old Sage from the alfresco. This would be the first coat, and this would be the second. What do you need to do next? Nothing. Let it dry and you can use it, and make sure that you take care of the item you have painted for at least 3 weeks to leave the curing time curing time is when the water in the paint evaporates completely and you are left with the product bulletproof. Here I have this board which I prepared. This empty, this is with one coat. These two are with one coat of wise old sage. So how do we apply wise old sage or Frenchic furniture paint on bare wood? The first coat. So as little paint as possible on the brush and try to move it everywhere as much as you can. And now this is the second coat. As you can see, with the second coat, we're practically done. The more you move the brush so that the paint goes everywhere, you cover really well with the paint on the second coat, the less brush marks come out. So you have, this is just a wet first coat, this is a dry first coat, and this is the second coat we have just done. Thank you very much for following us in our impromptu studio. I hope that you have learned something about our alfresco paint, and good luck with trying your exercise. Happy painting!